Hi, my name is Spencer Rittering. I'm going to explain and demonstrate a filter search. Explain what a filter is. Explain and demonstrate filter controls, the search dialog, and filter switching. Filter search narrows the list of tasks using your search text. Filter searches are special because you see the results as you type. The task list can be filter searched when any task is selected. To do this, use the trackball or D-pad on your phone to navigate down to the task list, and then start typing. Here, I'll demonstrate. Here, I've selected the mail package task. Now that an item in the task list is selected, I can begin filter searching. Just type the word you want to search for. I'll search for the word garden. Notice how I only had to type the first 4 letters. I'll use the delete button to remove letters from the filter text. Notice again how the list updates automatically. The filter allows you to control which tasks are displayed in the task list. To configure the filter, first open it by choosing the Filter item from the Options menu. This filter contains 3 controls: due date, priority, and status. Each control selects a group of tasks which satisfy the control's settings. Only tasks which satisfy all controls will be displayed in the task list. Let's look at each in more detail. The due date control only looks at a task's due date. Here, you can say whether you want to see tasks that are due today, tomorrow, this week, next week, in the next 30 days, or at any time. You can also choose to only see tasks that are overdue, or turn off the due date filter, which means you will not see tasks which have a due date. You can also decide whether you want to see tasks which have no due date. The priority control only looks at a task's priority. You can say what the lowest priority you want to see is. For example, maybe you only want to see medium and high priority tasks, and want to ignore tasks with low or no priority. In this case, you would set the lowest priority to medium. The status control only looks at whether a task is complete. It may also consider when the task was marked complete. You can choose to see all tasks, regardless of whether they are complete or not, completed tasks only, or incomplete tasks only. You can also choose to see tasks that were completed within a specific date range. Just specify the start and end dates. To make this more clear, I'll demonstrate the filter in action. Say I want to focus on only medium and high priority tasks. I also want to see tasks that are due this week. I'm done editing, so I'll press the back button. Pressing the back button will always save your changes. Here we can see that only medium and high priority tasks are displayed. We can also see that only tasks that are due this week are displayed. Many Android phones have a dedicated search button. This button commonly has a picture of a magnifying glass on it. If you have one of these phones, then pressing it will bring up the search dialog. The search dialog is a fast way to search for tasks. The search dialog will search among all tasks and ignore your filter controls. Here I'll demonstrate. I want to edit the Clean Garage task, but this task is not part of my current task list, so I'll search for it. The filter we have been looking at so far is a default filter. If you enabled advanced features such as labels or archiving, then you will automatically be given the ability to create additional filters, which you can customize. Once you have created and customized one or more filters, you will be able to quickly switch between them. Here, I'll demonstrate. First, I'll enable an advanced feature. I'll use archiving. Here you can see there are two standard filters, All Tasks and Archive. I'll create a new filter. The new filter is automatically opened so you can edit it. I only want to see medium and high priority tasks, so I'll configure the appropriate filter control. I'm done editing, so I'll press the back button. Pressing the back button will always save your changes. Now you can see the newly created filter in the list of available filters. Notice the icons on the right that indicate that the standard filters are not editable, and the new filter I just created is editable. There are three available filters. The active filter will control which tasks are displayed in the task list. Currently, the All Task filter is selected, but I want to use the new filter we just created, so I will select it to make it active. I'm done here, so I'll press the back button. Pressing the back button will always save your changes. Notice that all tasks are either medium or high priority. Say I want to see all tasks. I simply open the filter list and make the All Tasks filter active. I'm done here, so I'll press the back button. Notice that the All Tasks filter is active and all tasks are displayed. I've just explained and demonstrated a filter search, explained what a filter is, explained and demonstrated filter controls, the search dialog, and filter switching. I hope this tutorial has helped you better understand how to use Fling Tap Done.